The Obama administration is being asked to bring civil rights charges against George Zimmerman. 2 petitions are posted on the White House's public website. They urge President Obama to recommend that the Justice Department pursue a civil rights prosecution of Zimmerman. But right now, the president is urging calm.
We should ask ourselves if we are doing all that we can to foster compassion and understanding in our communities and to stem the tide of gun violence, as well as how we can prevent future tragedies like this from happening.
The White House says the president will not play a role in deciding whether federal charges are filed against George Zimmerman. Our Brendan McLaughlin joins us live in the newsroom. And Brendan, you're looking into what are the chances of a new civil rights trial?
A lot of people asking that question, Jameson. It's a different burden of proof, but legal experts believe the U.S. Attorney General, if he decides to pursue this case, will face the same obstacles as the state prosecutors. Norman Harris was among the voices in Sanford last year, demanding George Zimmerman be arrested and tried.
We demand justice!
But unlike the protesters angrily denouncing the guilty verdict today, Harris, a criminal defense lawyer, believes the system worked and justice was done.
If there are issues that require a motion for retrial on appeal, by all means, that's the proper response.
But instead of a criminal retrial, hundreds of thousands of petitioners on websites like MoveOn.org, the NAACP, even the White House, are demanding the federal government hold a new trial to convict George Zimmerman of violating Trayvon Martin's civil rights.
There is reason to be concerned that race was a factor in why he targeted young Trayvon.
If the federal government prosecutes Zimmerman, they'd have to prove that he killed Martin primarily because of his race, a high hurdle considering even state prosecutors conceded that race was not even a factor in the case.
I also would be extremely surprised if the Attorney General moved forward with a federal civil rights claim.
There is precedence when a jury acquitted 4 Los Angeles police officers in 1993 in the beating of Rodney King. Riots destroyed whole neighborhoods. Afterwards, the Justice Department then filed civil rights charges and got convictions against 2 officers. U.S. Attorney General Eric Holder will be in Florida tomorrow. He's expected to talk more about this case. We may find out then if we're in store for another George Zimmerman trial.